welcome to today's video. Today we'll witness intense moments on the railway where even a small mistake can lead to serious consequences. Let's watch and always remember, a moment of caution ensures a lifetime of safety. Dashcam captures the moment a train in Springfield, Ohio decides to switch tracks in a way no one expected. When a train cosplays a skateboard, the lesson is clear. Tracks are not meant for creativity. Running a red light is bad, but running a red light in front of a train is like playing with fate on hard mode. That driver might just earn an honorary membership in the Worst Decision Makers Hall of Fame. Luckily, no one was seriously injured, but someone is definitely regretting their choices. Hopefully, this serves as a lesson for all truck drivers. The tracks are not a parking spot, but the trailer still tries, and a costly lesson follows immediately. An elderly man was lucky to have a guardian angel at the right time, but next time, remember, a red light isn't a signal to speed up. It's a sign to pause and reflect. When you think you're playing bumper cars, but you're powering as a train, the impact was brutal.
His supporters last night from his home in Vermont. NPR's Sam Sanders says the senator spoke about Hillary.
If there were an all-word for near-death escapes, that bus would win hands down. Real heroes aren't always on TV, sometimes they're right among us. No hesitation in saving lives, a truly admirable act.
Отъезжай. Ну туда вон отъезжай. Миша! Миша!
Oh my God! Wow!
A truck carrying dreams, but a train sent them to memory lane, a collision that broke the hearts of many truck lovers. A well-prepared drill, building a safer future. Rescue operations should never be taken lightly.
It's gonna stop, it's not gonna stop.
The truck tries to cross, but the train doesn't agree. Result? A physics lesson that's quite convincing. While other cars chose defense, I decided to go big and face the train head-on, a proactive move that almost turned into a permanent pause.
Пизда!
Always stop, look carefully, and obey signals at railway crossings. One reckless moment can lead to irreversible consequences. When a bus tries to race a train and realizes trains don't play games. The result? A crash to remember, a lesson never to repeat. 5 seconds of patience could have saved you from disaster, but you chose danger instead, a choice no one should make. Train slams into a truck carrying tanks in South Carolina. On September 12, 2024, a CSX train collided with a stranded M109 Paladin self-propelled howitzer truck on the tracks in Goose Creek. Some races you should never enter. Racing a train is one of them. One moment of carelessness, a lifetime of consequences. At a narrow escape moment, just 1 second slower, and the story would be very different. Very lucky. Truck, let me help you move faster. Thanks, but your kindness is really out of place. I don't need to go that fast. The train had not yet gone when it rushed forward, resulting in an unexpected train kecking. It is true that go fast and you will survive, go deep and you will perish. In Izmir, the driver decided to conquer a stairway street at high speed and ended up testing the durability of another car. Helped the girl pick up the orange, and ended up wrecking the whole cart. Being nice doesn't always pay off. The trick to fix a dented car hood quickly. No need for a garage, just a bit of creativity. The tense chase between police and the suspected shoplifter ended when he had no choice but to stop in the middle of the road. Thankfully, no one was injured, but it's a clear lesson for anyone thinking they can outrun the law.
Now you just had a wreck. Look out! Brake flat, brake flat, brake flat. Get out! Tires are flat. Move!
A driver decided to try her luck by driving recklessly to avoid being caught, even charging at the police during the pursuit. In the end, she was arrested and faces charges of aggravated assault. Sometimes, running away just makes things worse.
She's not gonna make it far. Go!
Maybe we all need a can of road rage spray for those tailgaters. A quick spray and peace restored. Chris may not be a superhero, but his life-saving act was straight out of an action movie. The car dodged the cut kit rider but ended up meeting the parked cars, flipping over. Thought it dodged danger, but it found trouble instead.
Damn. Baby, back up. You got to babe, do not get out this car. Do not get out this car. He is finna leave. Oh.
Drifting smoothly, but the tire just decided to take its own path. Looks like it gave up halfway. The truck was like an alarm clock. Wake up, my friend, your lunch break is over. Thank you all for watching the video until the very end. If you found this content helpful, please hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications to catch our latest videos as soon as they're released. We promise to bring you more high quality and captivating videos. Thank you so much, and see you in the next video.